In this video I'll be showing you a neat, inexpensive trick for clamping when making a new picture frame, or in my case fixing an old one with broken corners. I'm applying a wood glue to the corner mitre joints that are split open. The frame I'm repairing is from IKEA, which is a cool design but is made from dubious materials. A quick clean up of the excess glue. You'll need to get yourself a bicycle inner tube, which should cost you no more than $4, and then cut it. The inner tube is placed around the frame, then tied with pressure and secured with a knot. The inner tube is acting like a latex tourniquet, giving immense pressure, holding the corner joints tight. Now the glue has dried, but there are some gaps that still remain between the mitre joints in the corners, which I will cover up using a non-shrink wood filler. But if you have a wooden frame which is to remain unpainted, I would recommend using transparent 2-part epoxy resin. Now to sand the filler flat using 220 grit sandpaper. Then wipe the dust in preparation for painting. I chose to spray paint the frame with 3 coats, but you could also roll on the paint with a fine smooth roller and still end up with good results. Here is the finished frame, just like new again. If the video was helpful, please consider giving the video a like or subscribing. Many thanks.